I'm here in Galveston, Texas, and I want to share with you guys this awesome place.
What's up, y'all? I'm Nazirin, and I'm here in Galveston, Texas, and I want to show you guys a really cool RV spot, not just for RVers, but you can also rent a 2-bedroom apartment. But first, let me drop off this trash real quick.
All right, this is much better. Like I said, I'm here in Galveston, Texas, and I want to share with you guys this awesome place. I haven't been here in years, and I guess 4 or 5 years ago, they got a new owner. So they've been doing a lot of renovations with adding more RV site pads and making it all concrete with some grass, and it's all level. Because I remember it wasn't too level before. And don't stop watching this, because if you're thinking, well, I don't own an RV and what am I gonna do there? There's an option for you too. They also offer 2 apartments, and they're 2 bedrooms that sleep 9 people. And I got to check it out earlier. It was pretty dope. Okay guys, y'all are probably thinking, Avian, get to the point. Why are you recommending this RV resort? Okay, let me just show y'all. Look at this. We are right on the water. Look at that. Just steps away from my motorhome right there and my Seadoos. Another thing about this place is that in the summer days, on Fridays and Saturdays, you get a free fireworks show because it's so close to Moody Gardens. And the evening, count on it to be there on the weekends. This resort has 88 sites. Some people even live here long term, but there's a lot of amazing views you can get right here, waterfront. Now let me show you what makes this a great spot for PWC users and boaters. Let's go over there. They have an on-property boat ramp, and look at all these boat slips. Look at this. Look at how many they have. You just pay a fee. I think it's $50, subject to change, but $50 and unlimited for your entire stay of boat ramp, and also complimentary boat slip if you want. You just put it in any slip that's available, and you never have to take out your boat or ski. Especially if you want to exchange with your family and or your friends, and y'all keep taking turns. This is a great spot because this spot is normally very smooth. All right, let me go show you guys the ramp. This is perfect for, especially if you want to have a gathering or anything. You could just rent boats and dock them all right here. All right, so here is the boat launch. Okay, it looks kind of narrow, but I put a double jet ski trailer through here. And I still even had a little bit of like about 6 inches on both sides, or a foot on both sides. So there's a lot of space. You even have this floating dock, which is great because this type of stuff doesn't really scratch up your ski and doesn't give you that ugly dock rash. All right, let me hop on the scooter and let me take y'all to the pool. This is somewhere I would be hanging out, especially after riding in salt water all day. Fresh, cold pool water to, you know, just relax. And if it's a little chilly, this hot tub is warm. All right, now let me see if I can get into these apartments right here so I can show y'all around. They're adding more concrete pads right there. You can get some cold ice cream, t-shirts, and snacks. Ooh, some cold refreshments. All right, let's go over here. The restrooms, I guess, for the showers. They're gonna have a boutique right behind that door, and they have laundry, washer and dryers. All right, let's go out this door. We've got the keys. That's not the key. This is the key. So, since I was here already earlier, she just gave me the keys. Look at this view. They're working on the deck over here. They're installing more composite decking on here. And if you were to rent this apartment, you would get all of this to yourself or your family or your friends, a get together. And look at the view of the pool and also the water. This is where you could sit here and watch the fireworks in the summer, or even look at your boat or jet ski from here. All right, let's go inside. All right, let's take a look. Oh, wow, yep. Look how much living space. Sofa to relax on after a long day at the beach or just on the water. A lot of places for everybody to sit. Look at these views you get with these wraparound windows. Dining table, full kitchen. This fridge is nice. Coffee machine. Here's bedroom number 2, I guess, because this is not the master. You have this full-size bed, another full-size bed with a twin on top. A walk-in closet, another closet, and a full bathroom with a walk-in shower. Okay, let's go around here. Okay. I guess this is the master bedroom, but they added 2 beds. This is a big room. Wow, a full-size bed and a queen-size bed. And let's see this view. What's over here? Oh, the patio. Oh, with the pergola. Nice. And you get the view of the pool. So if you even try to lay down early, you probably will be able to see the fireworks at night. In the bathroom, you've got this full shower, walk-in shower, and this big walk-in closet. Wow, this is a great place. They said that you can either rent this monthly or daily. Now, if you had a chance to come stay here for a whole month, this probably would be a great choice. Wow, look at this TV. Wow, this apartment is pretty nice. I love all the renovations they've done to the property, and including this, because I don't think this was available years ago. And they have one downstairs, but somebody's already there, so I can't go and give you guys a tour of it. But I'm pretty sure if it's this nice upstairs, it has to be just as nice downstairs. And there's another video that I'm making while I'm here, which is the top places in Galveston to visit via water. If you have a boat or a jet ski, it's easy to get to. It's gonna be a launch point from here, and it's only like 26 miles, so you don't have to worry about fuel. And if you're worried that you're not an experienced rider or navigator, don't worry. I'm gonna be putting the links in the video description of that video with the Google Map locations. So it'll be easy for you guys to follow along. And if you want to see that video, go ahead and click that link right above here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, because I plan to visit a lot of places in the Texas area, around the US, and take y'all to ride away with me. But until next time, see y'all on the water.